Have you ever found yourself deeply engrossed in cleaning or organizing in your dreams, and wondered what deeper meanings these actions could be revealing about your waking life? Dreams of cleaning have multiple symbolic layers, intertwining themes of purification, transformation, and the craving for control. They can serve as a mirror, reflecting our subconscious and offering insights into our inner world. In this video, we will delve into the labyrinth of these nocturnal narratives. We'll explore both the negative and positive interpretations of cleaning dreams, unraveling their complex symbolism and the messages they may be sending us. We invite you to share your dream experience in the comments section and to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, do check our video description for some free bonus content. Dreams of cleaning might be reflective of feelings of overwhelm, burdened by responsibilities, or stress about achieving perfection. These dreams might take the form of an unending task, a continuously dirtying space that no amount of elbow grease can keep clean. It's like trying to hold back a tidal wave with a dustpan and brush. This could be your subconscious signaling that you're feeling swamped in your waking life, struggling to maintain order amidst a sea of responsibilities. And then there's perfection. If you're someone who's constantly striving for flawlessness, dreaming of cleaning could be mirroring this relentless pursuit. You might be feeling the pressure to scrub away every speck of dirt until the object of your cleaning shines like new. But remember, perfection is an illusion, and this dream might be a gentle nudge to ease up on yourself. Moving on, dreams of cleaning might also be symbolic of guilt, shame, or regret. Picture this. You're furiously trying to wash away an indelible mark, scrubbing and scrubbing, but to no avail. This could be a metaphor for a lingering guilt or regret in your life, something you're trying to cleanse from your consciousness. It's as if your dream is trying to express the need for forgiveness, either from others, or most importantly, from yourself. Lastly, let's talk about neglect and avoidance. Are you sweeping dirt under a rug in your dream, or perhaps cleaning the surface of things while ignoring the mess within? These dreams might signify that you're neglecting your emotional or psychological health. You may be focusing too much on cleaning up the external aspects of your life, while the internal chaos remains unaddressed. Your subconscious might be urging you to stop avoiding and start confronting these deeper issues. So, if you're constantly dreaming of cleaning, it might be a call to address these deeper issues. It's your mind's way of saying, "Hey, we need to talk," but don't fret. Understanding these dream interpretations is the first step towards gaining clarity and working through the underlying concerns affecting your waking life. But not all cleaning dreams harbor negative connotations. Sometimes they symbolize a desire for purification, shedding burdens, and embracing renewal. Think about it. When you dream of cleaning up a messy room and then bask in the glow of a job well done, it could be your subconscious telling you about your desire to purify your life from the clutter of negative emotions or toxic relationships. It's like your mind is prepping you for a fresh start, a renewal of sorts, encouraging you to let go of what no longer serves you. Then there's the aspect of control and mastery. In our waking lives, we often feel overwhelmed by the chaos around us. Cleaning in dreams may be a manifestation of your desire to regain control over your environment, to put things in order, to exercise mastery over your life circumstances. Imagine yourself organizing a chaotic space into perfect order in your dream. This could be a reflection of your inner desire to bring order and organization into your waking life. But there's more. Cleaning dreams can also indicate personal growth, self-improvement, or preparation for a new phase in life. Perhaps you're in the process of learning a new skill, working on your personality traits, or preparing for a significant change in your life, like a new job or a move to a different city. These dreams might be your subconscious mind's way of helping you navigate this transitional period. And finally, let's talk about clarity and resolution. Cleaning in dreams can be symbolic of achieving clarity, resolving inner conflicts, or finding solutions to long-standing problems. It's like you're clearing out the dust and cobwebs from the corners of your mind, revealing a clearer, more focused vision of your life and what you want from it. So, the next time you find yourself scrubbing floors or dusting shelves in your dreams, remember, it's not always about stress or guilt. These dreams might be nudging you towards personal growth and a clearer vision of your life. Dreams are a fascinating window into our subconscious mind. They often hold profound insights into our lives, and understanding their symbolism can be a powerful tool for personal growth. So if you found this exploration of cleaning dreams intriguing, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We have many more dream interpretations to uncover together, each one a potential key to unlocking the mysteries of your inner world. And if you're interested in delving even deeper, look in the video description for some bonus content. Thank you for watching, and remember, dreams are the touchstones of our characters. So keep dreaming and keep discovering your true self.